Are you tired of waiting for your hair to grow? Here are some tips to help you achieve longer, healthier hair in no time. First, start by eating a healthy, balanced diet that includes plenty of protein, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients are essential for healthy hair growth. Regular trims are also important to prevent split ends, which can slow down hair growth. Get a trim every 6 to 8 weeks to keep your hair healthy. Massaging your scalp regularly can help stimulate blood flow to the hair follicles and promote hair growth. Avoid using heat styling tools as much as possible, as they can damage your hair and slow down growth. Protect your hair from the sun by wearing a hat or scarf, as sun damage can cause hair breakage and thinning. Taking a hair growth supplement that contains biotin can also help improve hair growth. Don't wash your hair too frequently, as overwashing can strip your hair of natural oils and slow down growth. Lastly, make sure to get enough sleep and manage stress levels, as stress can cause hair loss and slow down growth. Follow these tips and you'll have long, healthy hair in no time.